Hi friends, welcome to 2 Minutes Personal Finance Show by Santosh Bhandarkar. Today we shall discuss the importance of net worth and minimum target net worth. Your net worth is the amount by which your asset exceeds your liabilities. In simple terms, net worth is the difference between what you own and what you owe. If your asset exceeds your liabilities, you have positive net worth. Conversely, if your liabilities are greater than your assets, you have a negative net worth. Your assets are anything of value that you own that can be converted into cash. Examples include investments, bank balance, FDs, real estate, and personal property, vehicles, and jewelry, and of course, cash in hand. Your liabilities, on the other hand, represent your debts such as loans, mortgages, credit cards, debts, etc. The difference between the total value of your assets and liabilities is your net worth. Why calculating net worth is important? Your net worth provides a snapshot of your financial situation at this point in time. While this figure is helpful, for example, it can provide a wake-up call if you are completely off track, or a job well done confirmation if you are doing well. Tracking your net worth over time offers a more meaningful view of your personal finance. By knowing where you stand financially, you will be more mindful to your spendings, better prepared to make sound financial decisions, and more likely to achieve your short-term and long-term financial goals. So what should be your target net worth? Since each person's financial situation and goal are unique, we have to determine the ideal net worth. So the formula is, target net worth is equal to your age minus 25 multiplied by 1/5 of your gross annual income. For example, a 50-year-old with a gross annual income of 20 lakh might aim for a net worth of 1 crore. This does not mean that all 50-year-old should have this same net worth. The formula can be used simply as a starting point or a guideline depending upon your lifestyle and goals. So calculate your net worth and provide a needed spark of motivation to take a more aggressive approach to saving and investing your money. Stay tuned for more on personal finance. This is Santosh Bhandarkar signing off. Thank you.